Okay, so we're in Ximending. It's about 10:30 at night, and we're just kind of walking around and seeing what this looks like. So I did another video around noon. I did one about 6 p.m. and then another one at 10 p.m. So I think I kind of hit the three main times of the day, evening, and afternoon. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting down that way, right where the station is at. We're going to walk all the way down this way through here and go all the way down that way, and then we're going to go around this block right in here. Then we're going to end it right where I'm standing right now. So stay tuned and check it all out. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so I'm going to make a series of videos. So we have this one in the daytime. So I did the first one around noon. I did the second one about 6-7 p.m. And then this one is about 10:30 p.m. And we're just going to watch it change. Last time I came into Taipei, and I'm staying in this area, and I kind of noticed that basically at nighttime, last night anyways, there was hardly anybody around. It was a Wednesday night. I'll put the stamps at the bottom. Today's a Thursday night. It is kind of near the Chinese New Year, so I think that things will be it'll be a lot busier than it would have been if it's just a regular weekday. But based on yesterday, there's hardly anybody around, and I came around the same time. So we're just going to see what we see around here. So this is kind of the main pedestrian street in the Ximending. Lift the camera up a little bit. I'm just going to walk all the way down. It feels like people are going to the station. I mean, look at all the, well, I guess you got people on both sides, but I definitely feel like people are going to the station right here. The other thing I'm seeing too is these fortune tellers are coming out. I didn't see them in the daytime, or whatever those are. Lottery tickets. So we're gonna keep on going all the way down. So we're kind of in the main pedestrian street of Ximending. There's a lot of alleys. I did a couple in the daytime. I think those would be real interesting, but I don't know about if the lighting would be good or not. So we'll just stay focused on our. Let's see what this is real quick. Okay, I'm gonna keep on going. And I think what I'll do is I'll probably try to look at some of these side streets just from this side. It's a little bit too dark to go down them because basically when I start turning the camera around in small streets, it's not good. There's another pedestrian street down this way. I'm just going to keep on walking down this way. So Ximending Main Street at around 10:30 at night approximately. Looks like the hay moment was about 6:30, 7 p.m. Which is kind of funny because usually when I was in like Seoul, for example, things would get really happening about this time. It could be just kind of crazy, people drunk everywhere. Taipei is a little bit different. I don't really feel the same energy like that. Not so much alcohol consumption, but there are a lot of bars around here, but not like Japan or Korea though. Okay, we got some food here. I think what we're gonna do is kind of go. It's pretty tasty. Some of these foods are different than the ones I saw earlier today. They're more moved out into the middle now, and some different foods as well. I didn't see nearly as many as before. Looks like we got some of the alleys down that way. They're kind of interesting. Chestnuts. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I've seen kind of getting to know Taipei better, so I've seen some other YouTubers going down some streets that are like this, and I'm wondering if this is the street that I saw them on. This might be a nice photogenic street at nighttime. But I think the markets would definitely be a highlight as well, so I need to see more of those as well. Then based on my past experience, things will start to get a little bit more quieter all the way down that way. So what I'll probably do is going to end it in this little rainbow area. At about 6 p.m. when I was here earlier, I saw some performance in this area. Looks like that's gone away at this time. Probably going lots of different directions, but okay. The Lantern Festival is in February. That's interesting. So that's February 5 through 19, but the numbers are different than Macau and Hong Kong. It's the opposite. I think this is some artwork here. Let me just kind of see what this looks like.
I work with another guy. He don't walk. He don't have a leg.
Kind of cool art. It's like Egyptian style or something like that. So we're gonna keep on walking down. I'm probably gonna end this one pretty soon. I was kind of staying in that one street, but I think I'm kind of getting the impression that Ximending is not really worth staying on one street. It's better just to kind of meander around a little bit, get some feeling for alleys and things like that. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Go down an alley, kind of show you what it looks like a little bit better that way. I don't know how this will look in the camera, but I just came through here earlier today too. So this is a Don Don Donkey. And I think actually I don't know if it's really worth filming this area or not. I'm gonna go around the block and then I'm gonna end this one. But we'll just kind of see what this alley looks like to the left of me. But at least you gotta get an idea what it looks like at this time as well. Thanks, bye. Okay, so we'll just see what's to the right and then we're gonna take a left. Lots of people down there. Okay. Yeah, actually, Ximending is kind of cool, but it's actually a little bit repetitive. Like I felt like I got to know these streets pretty well just in a day. But still glad I'm here, of course. So we're gonna go just a little bit further, then I'm gonna end this one. Come up to this food area. So this is Ximending at this time of the night. And we're gonna end this one. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.